Hey lovelies, today let's make milk chapatis. Now these are very, very nice. Have you tried milk chapatis before? Do you know the difference between milk chapatis or water chapatis? Have you ever tried this? So in your bowl, add in 4 cups of all-purpose flour, add in a tablespoon of salt or 3 teaspoons of salt, add in 2 teaspoons of sugar, and add in 1 cup of milk, 1.5. I've realized that when you are making milk chapatis, you need a bit more liquid, you need a bit more milk than you would put in water chapatis. Yes, so knead this properly and gently. Add in your oil, don't miss oil for softness and good texture. Yes guys, even in the milk chapatis, your dough has to be very smooth and it still has to be elastic. Now cover this, let it sit for at least 20 to 30 minutes. Open it up and now you are going to make your shapes. Guys, milk chapatis are so good. I know they're a bit expensive with the milk, but this is something that you can, do on special occasions because the texture is so good. They are so rich, they are so soft. If you want to have softer chapatis that will stay for like even 2 to 3 days, these are the chapatis that you need to. So please don't forget to always cover your dough as much as possible so that air doesn't go through it, because this can make your chapatis turn out very hard, yet you followed all the steps properly. So yes, this is my trick. Please, you can either use it. It is very good. Usually I use a foil to do this, to cover my chapatis, but I ran out of foil. So I had a plastic bag with me. I put in my plate and I set it aside before I start doing any rolling of the chapati and cooking, so that when my chapatis are done, I can easily put them in there. This helps in maintaining the heat and softening the chapatis even more. Because if you do not do this and the first thing your chapatis get is, in a cold, airy environment, your chapatis will become a bit crispy. So yes, you do this, you can either use a container, aluminium foil, or anything that keeps the heat properly. So yes, heat up your pan and add on your chapati. Cook on medium high heat. Don't use medium high heat. Yes, don't use low heat, because then your chapatis will take long to cook. So yes guys, milk chapatis are very easy. They are easier to even roll out. They are so smooth and they are easier on the pan because they don't easily stick. Their texture is very, very good. And yes, they brown so nicely. So if you ever want to make chapatis and you want to get that brown color out very well, these are the chapatis to do. Yes, these are the chapatis to do. Try milk chapatis today, guys. They are so delicious, so sweet, and they have a very, very good flavor. So yes, as you can see, I'm cooking my chapati. I gave each chapati 2 to 3 minutes so that they get ready properly. Add it in your either container, aluminium foil. I used this plastic bag for this, and cover it nicely, and then you also add on a cloth. Yes, we want to keep them as soft as we can for as long as we can. So yes guys, these are my chapatis, guys. They are so good. They are so soft, delicious. Can you believe I ate these chapatis for like 3 days and they were still very, very soft. Now guys, please check out more of our recipes and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much. God bless you. Ciao.